Hello, and I'm Steve Floyd, Program Manager at InterConnect Wiring, where connections matter. I'd like to welcome you back today, where we are diving into some of our most exciting custom wiring solutions for military aircraft. From helicopters to fixed-wing aircraft, InterConnect has delivered innovative solutions tailored to the unique needs of our customer. Let's take a look at 3 standout projects to highlight our expertise in custom wiring solutions. Rewiring military aircrafts is no small task. And in 2008, InterConnect Wiring tackled a major rewire project on the UH-60 Blackhawk. This work was done at our Meacham Airport hangar in Fort Worth, Texas, just 12 miles from our headquarters, where our team completely replaced aging wiring systems with brand new harnesses, ensuring mission readiness and extending the helicopter's operational lifespan. Our expertise in full rewires helps keep military aircraft flying safely and efficiently for the years and missions to come. In 2013, InterConnect Wiring had the opportunity to work with Bell Flight on a demonstrator version of the AH-1 Viper attack helicopter. This was an exciting project where precision and performance were crucial. Our team developed custom wiring modifications that helped optimize the aircraft's electrical systems for testing and evaluation. This work demonstrated our ability to support prototype and demonstrator aircraft with high-quality, reliable wiring solutions. Fast forward to 2017, we worked with IOMAX on a fully custom wiring harness design. IOMAX specializes in armed surveillance aircraft, and their platforms required advanced wiring solutions to integrate mission-critical avionics. Our team engineered, fabricated, and tested these harnesses to ensure optimal functionality. This project showcased InterConnect Wiring's ability to create specialized solutions for unique aircraft configurations. From demonstrators to full rewires and custom harness designs, InterConnect Wiring continues to lead the way in military aircraft electrical solutions. If you have a project that requires precision wiring, we'd like to help. That's all for today. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and visit our website for more future videos, articles, and updates.